Hey guys, Glenn here. All right, I'm down here at 132 and Route 6 at the Burger King exit. And these are the two charges I've charged at before. They've been here for a little while now. And my buddy Mark, which is a copier tech here for Cape Cod, he works on photocopiers for a living, said these two chargers were ripped out and they weren't sure what they were doing. And I never got a chance to get down here and do it. Well, no, they're doing a little more than they didn't rip the charges out. As you can see, these charges are still here. And so when we get down here tonight, we figured it out and we saw what they're doing. And they are actually going to, they're going to be adding 2 new charges to this location. So if you look here, now there's 2 new charges that are being installed right now. And this is great. And I think there's room for maybe 2 more in the middle of those 2. They could really add a couple more charges, but I think it's great. We need it on the Cape here because I'm sure those other 2 charges in the summertime are getting used when the tourists come down here. So we could use some more charges so the people in an electric vehicle can actually charge when they get down here. And look, here's the whole site being done. So the original 2 down on the left and the 2 on the right are the ones that are being installed. So this is what we've needed for a long time. All right, guys. Well, I'll catch you in the next video. Hey, this was done on the fly, and I've, put the video together on the fly, and the first time I've done this, and so this will be going up on YouTube and on Facebook, and so yeah, this will be great. I should try doing these a little more often. So make sure you give this video a like on Facebook, and comment if you like. And if you're watching this on YouTube, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe, like the video, and also make a comment. And I'll try and get more of these on-the-fly videos up as soon as I can. Okay, catch you next video. See you, everybody.